are rhyming with some silly sentences. I brought my magic miniatures to help us get started. See the fan on top of the van. Fan, van. Those are rhyming words. All right, here's our next silly sentence. Watch the dog jump over the log. Dog, log. Those are rhyming words. All right, let's see if you can guess the words in my silly sentences. My next one is, did you ever see a whale with a polka dot tail? Whale, tail. Those are rhyming words. Here's my next silly sentence. Look what I see. It's a black and yellow bumble bee. C, B. Those are rhyming words. Let's do one more. Did you see the fly land on top of the pie? Fly, pie. Those are rhyming words. I brought along a silly sentence today on my board because I love to read sentences. I love to read. I want to share with you about our sentences today because they help us become strong readers and strong writers. When I wrote my sentence, I started over here and I went this way. All right. And when we read, we do the same thing. We start over here and we read this way. Here we go. I'm going to touch each word with my magic pointer. Here we go. See the frog sit on the log. Frog, log. Those are rhyming words. Do you see how I started my sentence with an uppercase? And at the end of my sentence is a period, and the period tells me to stop. It tells me the sentence is all done, that I've come to the end of my complete thought. Now let's go back and let's circle the words in my sentence. See the frog sit on the log. Now let's clap the words in our sentence. See the frog sit on a log. Now let's tap the words in our sentence. See the frog sit on the log. All right, are you ready to count the number of words inside our sentence? Here we go. See the frog sit on the log. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 words inside my sentence. What sounds start these words? Kite, key, kangaroo. Kite and key and kangaroo. Let's meet the letter K. K is a letter. K is the sound that it makes. K is for kite. When we say the sound for the letter K, we pull back the corners of our mouth and we get to smile a little bit again when we say the sound for the letter K. Our tongue is lower behind our bottom teeth. And it is a sound twin with the letter C. They both say the same sound. Not all of the time, but that's a rule we'll learn later about the letter C. But they are sound twins. Just like some twins like to dress the same, they do like to share their sound. And they both say k, k, k. With our letter K, it is very, very fun to find when we see that in our words. Let's go ahead and listen to some letter K words and let's sing about our uppercase and lowercase. K has an uppercase, yes, it's true. K has a lowercase, it's a K too. Uppercase, lowercase, match and see just how letter smart you can be. Uppercase, lowercase, match and see just how letter smart you can be. K. Let's meet the magic miniatures for our letter K. K is for kite, kite, kite. K is for kite. K is for kazoo, kazoo, kazoo. K is for kazoo. K is for koala, koala, koala. K is for koala. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. K is for key, key, key. K is for key. Last magic miniature for the letter K. K is for kettle, kettle, kettle. K is for kettle. All right, let's meet the letter L. What sound start these words? Lion, lock, little. Ooh, 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 ooh. Lion, lock, and little. Very good. L is a letter. O is the sound that it makes. L is for lion. Ooh, 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 ooh. When we say the letter sound for L, we put our tongue behind our upper teeth. Ooh, ooh. All right, let's say it together. Ooh. L has an uppercase, yes, it's true. L has a lowercase, it's an L too. Uppercase, lowercase, match and see just how letter smart you can be. Uppercase, lowercase, match and see just how letter smart you can be. L, O. All right, it's time to meet our magic miniatures for the letter L. L is for lion, lion, lion. L is for lion, ooh, ooh, ooh. L is for lettuce, lettuce, lettuce. L is for lettuce, ooh, ooh, ooh. L is for log, log, log. L is for log, ooh, ooh, ooh. L is for light bulb, light bulb, light bulb. L is for light bulb, ooh, ooh, ooh. L is for log, log, log. L is for log, ooh, ooh, ooh. What fun that is to meet our letters.